In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your paused and removed campaigns in Google Ads. This is an essential skill for managing your advertising efforts, as it allows you to review past campaigns, analyze performance, and make informed decisions for future endeavors. Getting started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Ads website. It's your go-to platform for managing all aspects of your online advertising campaigns. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Clicking on this will allow you to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads home. This is your dashboard, which gives you an overview of your current campaigns, as well as various tools and options to manage them. Now look on the left hand side of the screen for the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this will take you to the section where all your marketing campaigns are stored, including those that you've paused or removed. This area is crucial as it is the control center for all your ongoing and past campaigns. Once you are in the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of your campaigns. Here it's important to spot the campaign you're interested in revisiting. Whether you're looking for a campaign you've paused temporarily or one that you've previously removed, you can select it from this list. Clicking on the campaign brings up more detailed information about it, allowing you to analyze past performances, modify settings, or even reactivate if needed. Now that you've selected the campaign, the next step is to enter the editing mode. You'll find the edit option prominently displayed once you're in a specific campaign page. Clicking on edit allows you to manage various aspects of your campaign. Even though the campaign may be paused or removed, editing provides an opportunity to update settings, revise targeting options, or any adjustments before you decide to relaunch it. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to find your paused and removed campaigns within Google Ads. Understanding how to review these campaigns is vital. It provides insights into what strategies worked well and what could be improved upon. By following this process, you can revise past strategies to better align with your current marketing goals. Remember, even a paused or removed campaign holds valuable data that can influence how you move forward with advertising decisions. So make sure to check back periodically to refine your approach and cultivate more successful marketing outcomes in the future.